guys, I am Hustle with WTI and I am currently trying to get rid of some hyperpigmentation that I have all over my body, some dark spots, and in order to do that I've been using this treatment. This is the Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover from VALITIC, and it's made with vitamin C, retinol, collagen, turmeric, vitamin E, shea butter, and Castile Olive Oil. So it has so many things that really help me get rid of some hyperpigmentation, especially my thighs, my underarms, face, and knees. And ever since I started using this soap, it has improved my skin texture and some dark skin spots that I had. And what I do is I wet my skin with some warm water, and then I apply the soap evenly on the parts of my body I want to work on, and then I give like a 20 to 30-second massage and then rinse it immediately. And I like the fact that this soap is really foamy. I don't apply the soap right onto my face, but I just grab the soap and make some foam and then apply the foam onto my skin. So definitely seeing a difference, and if you want to try it out too and see some difference on your own face and get rid of some hyperpigmentation around your mouth or maybe dark circles, this is a great choice. I really have seen a significant difference and I would like you to try it out too, but that's just my point of view.